GoPro just did its GoPro things. Not only it just recorded only a small fragment, maybe it just didn't record anything facing towards us. So I'm sorry for that. I'm not gonna go out again in this car because it's just for me too snappy to drive, but we can have a look on the outside to show to you how it looks like. I'm also excited, or let's not forget that, like I like to forget those cars. Not excited but curious to see the state of the rear tires, because for my liking it was like way too snappy. I mean, they're not old by any means. Yeah,
pictures
for sure. It's a great car.
It is.
It's matching this color, like you said. In any case, good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back onto the Nürburgring. Welcome in very special BMW M140i of Christian, who yeah, invited me over for a lap, first of all. So thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
See you on the flip side.
I'm sure you will. This is not just a stock M140. It has a couple of mods to it, as you could have heard. The exhaust is kind of straight piped, more or less, right?
Yeah, more or less.
Yeah. 500 horsepower in total output, rear-wheel drive. The reason I'm saying this is because last year we drove a drag racing modified M140 X-Drive, and it was modified to go straight, but in the corners it was not the best option. So it had like stock differentials, open diffs. The tires were okay because they were Toyos, but stock suspension, brakes were also far from being good. Whereas here we have a couple of interesting mods. So starting with Bilstein B14 suspension, Charoudin DS Uno brake pads, you said?
Correct.
M Performance LSD, or which one is it?
Yeah, the original M Performance LSD.
Yeah, so we have a LSD, and then also some trailing arms from the M4.
Yeah.
And power flex bushings.
Yeah, mostly in the rear to make it more subtle during acceleration.
Okay, cool.
It can be a bit squirrely
Ah.
when you do not have the power flex upgrades.
Cool. Well, we'll see. It's really busy, so maybe I will just have to cheeky ask you to go for another lap later when there's less traffic.
I'm sure we can work something out.
What do you have in the back?
Anything?
Okay. Yeah, I thought there was like something. Tires are a bit cold.
Yep. The small plus thing.
Yeah, it's fun. Just not in these sections.
Pointing the wrong way.
Oh.
Just in the middle of the road.
Back end is way too twitchy.
That was close.
Yep. Can actually wait maybe for Shmi a bit if he's coming.
That's good.
There he is.